That's the one way you don't want it to go.
Look at that. See you guys.
And we're missing Mike. Oh, we gotta go find Mike. I don't know where he's at.
Should play a prank on him, like put it up against a tree and lay there on the ground, but probably give my mom a heart attack.
What's up?
Just chilling.
Just hanging out.
No, she had on me. I was like, man, oh, see you guys.
Huh. It's probably all that weight holding you down. Like I got the weight reduction kit.
Like listen to the horsepower when I blow air into it. Hear them horses in there?
Yeah. I fucking rolled mine down a mountain and yours is still shittier than mine. Hey, my check engine light turned off after that wreck. I fixed it.
That's what it needed.
It's alive.
Alright, here we go. I'll try making another 50 yards. I do gotta say, I gotta give it to Polaris a little bit, because for what we do to these machines, for them to keep going, I mean, mine always keeps going. I know it pisses, I get frustrated, but these machines are not built for this. They are not.
Yeah.
Probably like full second through that.
You'll probably fucking... Dude, I don't want to go down that way. I wanted to go this way. My name's Scott. Oh, dude, low key, I've been in all-wheel drive this whole time. Wow. Gas. That's not good. I thought he said ass. Want me to pull you out?
Yeah.
The old girl here just flew down a hill and now she's about to come to the rescue. Fuck off, Scott. I want to do it. Yeah, look at these.
Where the hell did you get that at?
I have no idea. Ready?
Yeah. Good shit, dog.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Not a chance, probably.
Nah.
You can make it through that one though. You want that?
Yeah, ping that for me.
You're next. I don't think you're making it through this one. I told you.
Yeah.
Proved me wrong. That one? That was pretty bad. I mean, Jude will probably can go right through it. Send it. We'll see Jude after rolling his four-wheeler down a steep hill. My guess is he goes right through this, makes me look like a bitch with my stock tires and my broken four-wheeler. I got stuck here and I couldn't get a grip on the right side where you, as soon as you shifted your weight to the right side, it just went over.
Yeah.
You gonna go for that one now?
No,
Why not?
cause I'll get stuck.
I'll pull you out.
That one's pretty deep.
Listen, man, you already said it once today.
Yeah, now it's your turn.
You want me to get through that? I couldn't get through that one. I mean, you know me.
I barely made it through that one. I mean, it was easy, but
I mean, I'll try. I'm not gonna get through it.
Scott had to floor it in a 1000 high lifter just to get through it.
Should I try it? I mean, what's the worst that could happen? I'm gonna do it.
His four-wheeler won't even turn on and he thinks he's got this.
I heard that.
Let's see if he's got this.
Is this a bad idea?
I mean, you're gonna get stuck. That's the one way you don't want it to go.
I think I might have this.
Moving a little bit. Hey, turn your bars.
No! bunch of people too. There's a spider in my goggles. Here, take these. They're gonna be like, what's up? Yeah, what's up? I'll be alright. Yeah, we got it. You're gonna have to pull me out. I don't know if you guys just saw that, but look at that. That's not good at all. Hopefully it's an easy fix, but I don't think that's good at all. I just tried to put it into reverse, and the gear shifter broke.
What do you mean?
Now it's just like loose, like it doesn't.
So I wonder what gear it's stuck in.
It's in drive. It's in high.
Move it down.
Did they move?
The tires aren't moving.
Then it's in neutral. Hook it up. Yeah, that could be a problem.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to tow you the whole way back around.
A little more, like a couple inches. That's good. That's right.
I guess.
Maybe this one? You guys aren't subscribed by now.
Neutral?
What are you doing? Come on.
Wonder how that happened.
Well, what do you want me to do when it won't shift into gear? Well, how am I supposed to shift it into gear when it doesn't go?
Shut her down. We're gonna see what she does.
It didn't even do it that time though. I was in high, or no, I was in low, and Jude was like, try backing out, and I went.
Really? Well, seat's gotta come off. Gotta get in and see what the hell's wrong. It's a rough day, isn't it? Yeah.
One, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Ride on these old railroad tracks. Come on, Jude! I know. Ah!
Oh, great, another hill. I might flip. No, I shouldn't say that. Jagger bush in my waders. If you're wondering what that noise is, it's my front rack zip tied to the back rack rattling around. I'll tell you what, ladies and gentlemen, my nipples are right now.
Like I said before, now I don't think anybody on YouTube, or anyone ever for that matter, put these Polaris 570s to the test quite like at least the stock one anyway. I mean, we got wheels and tires, this shit, stupid, you know, but you know, no snorkels, no rad relocate, no whip. Those are the wheels and tires, are pretty much 100% stock. And I don't think anybody's putting them to the test quite like us. Dude just roll this down the hill for Christ's sake and look at it. Oh man. That's why, man. We're out here grinding, having fun, full sending it. Hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We're on our way to 100. I know it sounds like nothing, but to us, that's huge. Appreciate all the support. Like I said before, we're going to be doing this all summer and then back into the winter.